We saw most of the moisture over the eastern part of South Africa on Wednesday. On our satellite, you'll see the cold front heading out into the Indian Ocean, but that still brought in some cloud and rainfall into KwaZulu-Natal. And the onshore flow behind that cold front pushed in some cloud over the eastern part of Mpumalanga, with the possibility of evening drizzle on Wednesday. And we've had fine and dry weather for the rest of South Africa. On Thursday, we'll see a ridging high move in behind that cold front, and it pushes in moisture and cooler weather over the northeastern part of South Africa, resulting in some morning drizzle over the northeastern part of Limpopo, and we're expecting a bit of morning cloud in the northeast with a mostly clear and slightly cooler day for Gauteng. Fine and dry though for the rest of South Africa with a warmer day on Thursday. We're forecasting light winds across South Africa's interior. In fact, we're expecting light wind speeds into the Western and Eastern Cape, with a light to moderate northeasterly offshore wind along the west coast and a moderate northeasterly breeze along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline. The day starts off with a bit of cloud over parts of KZN, 24 degrees for Richards Bay and Pietermaritzburg, 23 as we head towards Durban and Port Shepstone. Fine and dry throughout the Eastern Cape with a mild Thursday afternoon. You'll see a cold start to the day over the interior, with minimum temperatures dropping well below zero overnight. Mostly clear and cool as we head towards the coast, with a maximum temperature of 18 from Plettenberg Bay all the way through to Mossel Bay, 22 for Somerset East and Beaufort West. In fact, we're expecting fine and dry weather across the Western Cape interior, with a warmer day with highs heading into the low and middle 20s. Sunny and cool for Cape Town at 9 and 18 degrees. A sizzling hot afternoon is in store for Alexander Bay at 30, but with a chilly start to the day, with many of those minimums dropping below zero overnight in the Northern Cape. It'll be an icy start to the day over the western and southern part of the Free State, with some morning cloud over the eastern parts and a minimum temperature of 2 degrees. A maximum of around 20 is forecast for most weather stations. Slightly cooler weather pushes in over the eastern part of the northwest. Zeerust and Mahikeng at 6 and 22 degrees. Partly cloudy as we head towards Limpopo, with some morning drizzle over the northeastern parts, 25 for Phalaborwa and Lephalale. Mostly cloudy at 23 for Bombela, with that cloud thinning out as we head towards Highveld. eMalahleni and Secunda both with a mostly clear day at 21 and 19 degrees. A slightly cooler day is expected for Gauteng, with a mostly sunny forecast, 20 degrees for Soweto and Pretoria warming up to 23. It'll be a sunny day for the majority of South Africa on Friday, except for a bit of cloud for Polokwane and Bombela. A particularly warm day is expected over the southern and southeastern parts, with highs in the middle and upper 20s. That warm weather spreads through to KwaZulu-Natal as we head into Saturday, including the Lowveld, but we're forecasting some light rain from George all the way through to East London. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great week.